Okay, so here we have a 2013 Dodge Durango with the same thing as a Grand Cherokee. So, starter problems. Went through its second starter, new one died the solenoid. Okay, the interesting thing is I have a video here to show you how to take it out without removing the engine mounts and lifting your engine like everybody else does on YouTube. So here you have the front axle. Just remove the two bolts, lower it, remove the small drive shaft to the front axle. It's pretty simple like this. There's the wiring. It's a little bit tricky. You would have to fight it out. But here's the proof it comes out. So remember, lower the front axle, take out the drive shaft, disconnect the wiring, and look, the mount is good. The mount is connected, so there's no cheating. So remember, it's difficult, but it does come out. So save some time, get some patience, and take it out.